In this video, we will demonstrate the installation of OpenResty X-Ray's agent service on Amazon Linux using package bundles. Let's log in first. Enter your account name. Type in the password. Let's sign in. Click on Go to Console. It'll take you to the guide for the agent installation. Let me show you how to install via package bundles. First, choose the operating system. It's Amazon Linux in this case. Select the Amazon Linux version as the operating system. If your target machines have poor network connectivities, you can download and transfer all the package files in a single bundle. Choose the package bundle. You can download the package bundle from here. Use the wget command to save the file on your local computer. Copy the download link address. Execute the command. The file is saved to the local file system. Use this command to execute the script. The installation command was completed successfully. Let's go back to the wizard page. In non-production mode, the system will take a more aggressive approach to analysis to get results faster. The production mode is for analyzing online production environments. It tries hard to minimize the performance impact on the target applications and servers. It may take longer to analyze, though. The paranoid mode is similar to the production mode, but it will try to reduce the performance impact on the target server's request latency further. Let's detect running applications. These are the applications automatically detected. If you need to add a new application to detect, you can customize the configuration. You can type in the new application name. Select the type of application. You can select the process corresponding to the new application from the list here. Click to initiate analyzers. The analyzers just started running. Click on Traffic and Load. The system has detected there's sufficient traffic and load on the machine. It can only conduct meaningful analysis when the target applications has traffic and load. Let's enter the console dashboard. Go to the Insights page. Wait for the first analysis report since the first agent was just installed. The report in Insights page is generated by aggregating all applications on all agents. You can watch the progress in real time. The first fully automated analysis report has already been generated. Daily and weekly reports will be automatically generated regularly in the future. Go to the dashboard page. We can see flame diagrams and charts for various kinds of applications, such as Go, OpenResty, and Python applications, among others. To install another agent, just click here. You can also install the agent on Amazon Linux using the network. To install on other operating systems, or use installation methods like containers, just click here. We're back to the wizard page we saw previously, where we can choose different installation options or operating systems. OpenResty X-Ray is a non-invasive diagnostic system based on our own dynamic tracing technology. It can monitor and scan performance problems, behavioral issues, and security vulnerabilities in real time. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.